SSA Girls Lacrosse, Walters Advisory, and the SSA community as a whole, we thank you for your service to the Academy. Your presence will be missed next year, but your impact will be lasting. We wish you luck in your future, but before you leave, let's win a championship.
From conversing with my peers, we all want to say one thing: thank you. Thank you for all your encouragement. Thank you for all your help. Thank you for your dedication to our futures. And of course, thank you for raising our grades. Now, without further ado, it is my honor to name my friend and freshman year advisor, Miss Lashway, as my faculty fides. We will certainly miss you next year, and we wish you the best of luck with your retirement. Can we get a big hand for Miss Lashway?
One thing that always stuck out to me about Coach is his emphasis on developing kids into both exceptional hockey players and young men. Over the years, JJ would always tell us to leave the program better than when we found it, and I can say in confidence that he has done just that, and then left a lasting impact on both the hockey careers and life in general of everyone who has graduated from his program. Coach, on behalf of everyone present and past, and Stu, thank you for everything you have contributed to Shadyside Hockey and the athletic department.
Being one of the mentors of the robotics club, Mr. Wizzard supported the club and the members by providing the guidance needed without much interference. And for me, under his encouragement, I took on the path I would never imagined. Is it a coincidence that the year I got to know him was the same year I determined to choose a STEM major? I think not. It is surely Mr. Wizzard's precise calculation. After all, a wizard is never late, nor is he early. He arrives precisely on time.
Mr. Wizzard is always looking out for his students, and he wants to make sure they succeed and have a good time doing it. He has never been the type of teacher that will bulldoze through topics. He rather would make sure that you understand what you're trying to learn, because learning is the most important thing, and Mr. Wizzard highlights that above all else.
Not only do you do a great job of teaching us the notes and words for our pieces, you teach us why we're doing what we're doing. You help us understand the music. One thing we talk about a lot is having something to say with our music. And I think that is a sentiment that I'll carry with me my entire life, in having something to say and making sure what I'm saying is important. You've always done an incredible job of invoking in us a passion for what we're doing and showing that the emotion you put into a song is just as important as being on the right notes. Anyway, thank you so much, Dr. Brill. Good luck in your retirement, and we'll miss you so much. Thank you.